Hey guys, so today I want to show you an app that allows you to save, invest without having your interest or income taxed. The app is called the Stash app. It's a tax-free savings account that is managed by Liberty. What is a tax-free savings account? A tax-free savings account is a registered tax-advantaged savings account that can help you earn money tax-free. Okay, but why it matters? What is the difference between tax-free savings account and a normal savings account? The difference between a tax-free savings account and a normal savings account is with tax-free savings account, you are able to invest. You are also able to make something out of lama savings wakho. So while usabeke imali yakho for emergency, whatever, you are able to earn something. Then with the normal savings account, you're not making anything. If you file 400, you're only going to get 400, right? Okay, so how does this app works? A very important question. Let me show you.
So I've been using the Stash app for over a year now, but it's this year that I've started making like consistent contributions. What I love about this app is it's very user friendly and fun to use. So within your app, you can decide which you wanna stash 10 rand a day, you wanna stash 5 rand a day, you wanna stash 100 rand a day. So that's also the fun part about it. You can decide goods, okay, omakshisa, or when you sweat, when it's load shedding, you're making your stash, which means you're putting money inside your Stash app, right? So I basically use it to save, because already I'm using the tax-free savings account from Easy Equities for investments. So for this one, I'm just using it for my savings. Also within your Stash app, you can decide on a monthly basis you wanna put in 1,000 rand, you wanna put in 100 rand, you wanna put in whatever money lofuna kuyifaka. You can also decide ukuthi yonke imali loyifakako inside your Stash app, how you want it to be allocated, right? So you can decide if you ufaka 600, 75% will remain in cash, 25% will be invested kuma SA top 40 shares, ne? So that's the interesting part, because it allows you to save, it allows you to also invest and meet your financial goals, ne? Also, another interesting part is you are able to cash out imali yako anytime, any day, right? So I hope you got something out of this, guys, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, share any feedback, and thank you guys for checking in, and I'll see you on the next one. Really appreciate it.